The world has long hidden a secret. Buried deep within its forgotten past. The answer we were looking for is we're always waiting in the darkest depths.
This place was not built by hands. It formed itself. It's made by itself, and it collapses by itself.
And in that moment, I understood.
This power does not belong to our world. Forces wriggling beyond dimensions. Trying to compress all beings into a single point. A heart of destruction. We cannot choose our fate.
But we can choose to stand against it.
When all destruction has passed, one spark of beginning always remains. Here, I witnessed the birth of a new war. The world you knew is gone. A new dimension has opened.